Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download and install Kotlin on your Windows 11 computer. Kotlin requires Java to run, so we'll first install Java JDK, then Kotlin. Let's get started. Step 1, install Java JDK. Open your browser and search for Java JDK download. Click the first result from oracle.com. Scroll down to find Windows x64 installer.exe and click the link to download. After downloading, open the .exe file and follow the steps. Click Yes when asked for permissions. Click Next to proceed with default install location. Click Next again and wait for installation to complete. Go to the folder where Java was installed. Open Search, then select Edit Environment Variables for your account. Under System Variables, select Path, then click Edit. Copy the path to the bin folder. Then click New, and finally paste the bin path. Also click New under User Variables and set variable name Java_home. Variable value path to the JDK folder, not bin. Click OK to close all windows. Open Command Prompt and type Java man version to verify Java is installed. Step 2, install Kotlin command line compiler. Open your browser and search for Kotlin. Click the link from kotlinlang.org. Click Get Started. Go to Compiler and Plugins. Select Kotlin Compiler. Click Command Line Compiler. Click the GitHub Releases link to download the latest Kotlin compiler.zip file. Click the GitHub Releases link on the page. You will be redirected to Kotlin Sets's GitHub repository. Scroll down to find the latest .zip file for the compiler. Click to download it. Once the .zip file has been downloaded, open the folder where it is saved. Right-click on it and choose Extract All. Move the entire Kotlin folder to your C drive. This will help you access it more easily later. Copy the full path from the address bar to the bin folder of Kotlin. Click on the Start menu, search for Edit the System Environment Variables, and open it. In the System Properties window, click Environment Variables. In the System Variables section, select the path variable and click Edit. Then click New and paste the copied bin path. Click OK to confirm. Open Command Prompt, type Kotlin version, and press Enter. You should see the installed Kotlin version displayed. That's it. Kotlin has now been successfully installed on your Windows system. You can now compile and run Kotlin programs from the command line. Thanks for following this guide. Hope it helped. See you in the next tutorial.